Hi all. So today's topic is number system. We will try to see the number system, how does it work, what are the whole numbers, natural numbers, opposites, number lines, integers, etc. So we will start with whole number. Whole number. Whole numbers are the numbers which starts with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So the whole numbers are the numbers which starts with 0. All positive numbers which starts with 0 are your whole numbers. Then what are the natural numbers? Natural numbers, the positive numbers starting with 1. Two, 3, 4, 5 and so on are your natural numbers. So the whole numbers are the numbers which starts with 0. Natural numbers are the numbers which starts with 1. Then what are the opposites, or we can also say opposites, or you can say negative numbers. So the negative numbers are the numbers starting with -1, then -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. These are your opposites. Now what are the integers? Integers are the set of whole number and their opposites. Integers are the set of whole numbers and their opposites. It means integers gives us what? Number line. So integers, the integers are set of whole numbers and their opposites. The integers are the set of whole numbers and their opposites. Now you know the whole numbers. Whole numbers are the numbers starting with 0, all positive numbers, and opposites, numbers starting with -1, all negative numbers. Now what is number line? On number line, we can see whole number on the right side and opposites on the left side. So whole numbers means the number starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and opposites, the numbers starting with -1, -1, -2, -3, -4 and minus 5 and so on. So here you have to notice one thing. When we go to the right, when we go from left to right, it means we are going in from left to right, means increasing order, or we can say ascending order. And from right to left, from right to left means descending order. Here we can also see absolute value. Absolute value of a number. Suppose you have 4 and you have minus 4. So the absolute value of 4 is what? This 4 within the lines, and absolute value of minus 4 is also minus 4 within the lines. Absolute value means what? Absolute value means distance. Distance from 0. See, from 0, if we have to take the distance to minus 4, this is your distance from 0 to minus 4. And from 0 to 4, this is your distance. Okay. So if you have to go to minus 4 from 0, you have to cover same distance that you have to cover when you are going from 0 to 4. So the distance between 0 to 4 and the distance between 0 to minus 4 is same. Distance between 0 to minus 4 and distance between 0 to 4 is same. If I will start from this point and I will go to 4, and I will start from this point and go to minus 4, the distance is same. When the distance is same, it means this absolute value of 4 and absolute value of minus 4 are same. It means absolute value of 4 and absolute value of minus 4 are equal. There is no difference between the absolute value of 4 and absolute value of minus 4, because the distance from 0 is equal in both the cases. Thanks for watching our channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.